Hi, so I'm here today to see Dr. Julio and try this new procedure. I've been tracking my snoring for the past month and a half, I think so now. And I've been scoring very high rates. They call it epic on that Snorelab app. So I'm here to try this procedure and improve my sleep by reducing the snoring. So I'm excited to try this. I hope it's not too painful, and I don't think it will be, but yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Sounds good. So we're here with our friend Lewis today, who we're doing the NightLase procedure. This procedure is pretty amazing to help reduce the snoring that happens. We've been monitoring Lewis's snoring using an app on his phone called Snoring. All right, so we have Lewis that just finished the NightLase procedures. How was it for you, Lewis?
It was very easy, like painless. It's a very quick procedure. Maybe just a little warm sensation as the laser is going through the back of my throat, and I feel great. Yeah,
Good.
ready to start my day.